Hi there everyone. So share ko lang sa inyo itong the 50 State Quarters Program from 1999 hanggang 2008. So ang kanyang first coin sa Delaware, ayan po. So pansinin niyo ang kanilang obverse, ayan po. Ganun pa rin, Portrait of George Washington, pare-pareho naman sila. Ayan. Ang nagbago lang ang kanilang reverse. So ayan po ang third coin. At ang kanyang fourth coin, si Georgia, Connecticut, the fifth coin. And Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, and North Carolina, the 12th coin, Rhode Island, Vermont, Kentucky, Tennessee, the 16th coin, Ohio, Louisiana, Indiana, and Mississippi, Illinois, Alabama, Maine, Missouri, Arkansas, Michigan, Florida, Texas, Iowa, Wisconsin, California, Minnesota, and Oregon, Kansas, the 35th coin, West Virginia, followed by Nevada, Nebraska, and Colorado, North Dakota, South Dakota, Montana, Washington, 42nd coin, Idaho, 43rd coin, Wyoming, Utah, Oklahoma, next New Mexico, Arizona, and Alaska, the 49th coin, and the last coin, Hawaii, the 50th and the last coin. So ayan po. So ang kanila pong obverse ay pare-pareho lang naman. Ayan po, nagkaiba lang sila sa kanilang reverse, iba't ibang disenyo. Hanggang dito na lang at maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless.